Hello, families. My name is Mr. Beyer, and I am your child's physical education teacher for this school year. I would like to start by introducing myself and telling you a little bit about me. This is my third year teaching elementary physical education in Harrison. I teach both at Preston and Purchase schools. In the fall, I'm a modified boys soccer coach, and in the spring, I'm an assistant boys varsity lacrosse coach. While a lot has changed in recent months, our mission remains the same. Every day, we will strive to provide students with a safe and positive environment in which they can acquire a foundation of movement skills. Through this process, students will gain enjoyment and value that can come from physical activity. Students will learn why physical activity is important and how they can successfully sustain a physically active lifestyle. As we happily invite students back into our gymnasium this year, we are working with them to follow the New York State guidelines for health and physical education. We will be spaced out 12 feet apart when engaging in aerobic activity. We will be wearing our masks during all activities, and we will be given mask breaks and water breaks when they are necessary. The format of physical education this year will vary from student to student depending on which class they are in and whether they are enrolled in the hybrid or fully remote model. Let's talk a little bit about the hybrid learning model. So most students enrolled in the hybrid learning model will have an in-person class once a week and an independent session once a week. For students in grades K through 2, these independent sessions will be found on Seesaw, and students in grades 3 through 5, they will be found on Google Classroom. In regards to your child's in-person experience, we are currently designing lessons that do not require the use of equipment or students to be in close proximity to one another. Some areas of learning that we are currently focusing on include health-related fitness, rhythm and dance, and locomotor movements. For the virtual learning model, your student will receive 2 asynchronous lessons per week. These lessons will include movement opportunities that can be easily accessed at home. Again, students in grades K through 2 can find their lessons on Seesaw. Students in grades 3 through 5 can find their lessons on Google Classroom. I hope this video helps you gain an understanding of what our physical education program will look like for the school year. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to making physical education a valuable experience for your child.